All right, I want to show you something really cool. I've been working on this project. This is a project I pulled from a GitHub repository, and I'm trying to understand what exactly is happening in this code. And obviously, there are a bunch of files in this. In old school, I had probably spent several hours understanding where the logic starts, how different files are connected behind the scenes. Obviously, I might not know everything involved and included in this project, be it packages, be it how the authentication and so on and so forth is working on this. But I'm going to show you a cool way you could do this so you could quickly understand what exactly happening in this. So I'm on my cloud workstation, which is on Google Cloud, and I opened the project in my cloud workstation. As you may know, this is an IDE that works on your browser. And this IDE is kind of on Google Cloud Project, so you don't have to install anything exclusively on this workstation. So if you don't know how to spin up your cloud workstation, I've created a video in my channel, so go check it out. So I'm going to drop that in the video description so you can take a look at it. So back to this video. So now I have this project. So I'm trying to understand what this project is actually about. So I'm going to go use Gemini Code Assist. In here, obviously, you could ask some questions. In here, it says here, there is this one context, which is the current file. Whatever the file I open, it's going to take that as context. And you open this. Yeah, but in my case, I would want to know like full understanding of this project. So I'd go back to Code Assist, and there is this thing called, let me blow this little up, this thing called agent here. So if you enable it, it basically has several different advanced features where you could ask Gemini Code Assist questions not just related to one file, but the entire repository, the folder. So it basically gives you like some examples as to how you use it. So since I've already tested it, I'm going to ask, give me the full overview of this repository. I'm going to give the root folder. In this case, I'm just going to do, I think this is called IDP something, but I'm going to try this. And then it is going to go, yeah, if you look at it, it's checking the README, which is one of the files, and it's looking at index file. It's saying the project scope, looking it thoroughly. And finally, it kind of went through the entire code repository and kind of giving me like the drill down, right? This is front end, this is back end, this is how the configuration is done, and these are the testing files. And this gives me a really good understanding where to start. Again, I'm going to go try more and more questions on this particular example to see how the application logic is flowing from one file to another file, just so I understand the full picture of this project. So yeah, I thought this is really cool. I thought I should share it real quick. So I hope you like it. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.